structure of going to is subject plus be plus going plus to infinitive. We use going to indicate intention. Example, I am going to buy a car, and prediction, it's going to snow. Definition. Going to is a verb that can be used in different ways. In this blog post, we'll look at the definition of going to, the different types of going to verbs, and some examples of how to use them. The definition of going to is simple. It's a verb that expresses an intention or a future plan. For example, if you say, I'm going to eat dinner at 6 p.m., you're expressing the intention to eat dinner at 6 p.m. Types. There are two main types of going to verbs. Those that express an intention and those that express a future plan. Intention. When you use going to express an intention, you are typically talking about something that you want to do. For example, if you say, I'm going to eat dinner at 6 p.m., you're expressing the intention to eat dinner at 6 p.m. Future plan. When you use going to express a future plan, you are typically talking about something that you have planned or already planned to do. For example, if you say, I'm going to eat dinner at 6 p.m., you are expressing the plan to eat dinner at 6 p.m. Examples. Keep in mind that you can also use going to express other things such as prediction or a certainty. For example, if you say, I'm going to eat dinner at 6 p.m., you are expressing the prediction that you will eat dinner at 6 p.m. Here are some more examples of how to use going to. Intention. I'm going to eat dinner at 6 p.m. The phrase going to is used to express a future intention. The most common way to use going to is to talk about future plans. For example, I'm going to go to the store, or we are going to go to the movies. Conclusion. We can convey a concept in the near future by using the phrase be going to and a verb in the infinitive. I'm going to talk to him very soon. I will talk to him next month. Some staff are going for promotion.